Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how your Power BI reports are actually being used and who's viewing them, today's tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to monitor report usage with the Usage Metrics report in Power BI Service. Plus, I'll show you how to customize your own usage dashboard so you can get actionable insights and make your reporting even better. Alright, let's jump right in. So first things first, we already have the data we need. Power BI Service collects detailed usage stats behind the scenes and it's all ready to go. To start digging into it, head over to the Report view in Power BI. This is your central canvas for exploring that data visually. If you're not sure where Report View is, it's usually the default workspace when you open any report. Just look for the grid icon along the left side. Now let's add some useful visuals to really bring those metrics to life. We'll keep it simple but powerful. The first visual I recommend is a bar chart that shows views by report name. Drag your report name field onto the axis and views onto the value area. Instantly, you'll see which reports are getting the most eyeballs. This is a great way to spot your superstar reports, the ones people depend on most. If you work with a team, this chart can help you prioritize updates and focus efforts where they're needed. Next, let's add a line chart for views over date. Place the date field along the x-axis and views on the y-axis. This setup lets you track viewing patterns over time. Maybe you notice spikes after a new feature launches or a dip during holiday months. These trends can reveal so much about user engagement. Don't worry if your line isn't perfectly smooth. Real usage waxes and wanes, and these curves help you understand user habits. For our third visual, let's create a pie chart to show usage by device. Drop your device type into the legend area and views as the value. You'll see at a glance whether users prefer desktop, tablet, or mobile. This matters a lot for design decisions. If you see most folks on mobile, maybe it's time to optimize your reports for smaller screens. Choosing the right visuals can make your insights much easier to act upon. Our last main visual will be a table. Here you'll want to include user, report name, AVG duration, and status. Tables are perfect for that granular detail. You can spot who's your power users, which reports they spend the most time on, and even check things like report status. Sometimes you'll catch that certain reports aren't being viewed much at all, or some users aren't getting what they need. That's a chance to follow up and improve the experience. Once you've got these visuals laid out, take a moment to customize and get creative. Power BI gives you lots of flexibility. Tweak colors to highlight the most important info, add slicers so viewers can filter by device or date, and consider tooltips for extra context. Maybe experiment with conditional formatting or even try buttons that let users drill into a particular report's history. Don't feel pressured to make it perfect on your first try. Just play around and you'll discover features that make your dashboard unique and useful. If something doesn't look quite right, remember you can always adjust or undo. Exploration is part of the process. So that's how you can quickly build and customize your own usage metrics dashboard in Power BI Service. These insights aren't just numbers, they help real people make better decisions with data. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want more examples, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.